welcome to school too. School too.
Again,
Is not feeling fine since last week. I don't understand.
since last week, he's not feeling fine.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
See how
Hey,
much
where's your cool? You people have not called doctor.
we have no code now. We
Hey.
don't have any money.
Mbamba. Obutu, I will call doctor. You'll be well. Yeah? It's because of my money I came and you cannot die with my money. Oh? Hey. Hello? Dr. Ezinne? I'm in that my friend's house. That Obutu, that this thing close to that your office now. Please run and come. It's emergency. Oh?
Please let the doctor be fast now.
Please, put it here now. Put it here too. Obutu, stop this here. You cannot die with my money.
Papa, sorry, now.
Get my 250,000 and you want to die. Where's this thing? Put it now.
What's wrong with him?
No, I don't know. I just came here and saw my friend like this.
I think he's suffering from homosophia.
Homosophia?
He needs to take meditation with immediate effect, or else
Medication like how much?
like 20,000 naira can do. 20,000 naira can do. Uncle,
Hey, ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
I'll be back.
For the elbows,
Funke,
edges,
Funke,
big,
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
for the main.
But this one cannot kill him. We will buy again.
No, no, carry.
I'm sorry. It's dead.
What?
Who is that?
Funke, Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth? You will end up in McDonald's. Oh my days, irú ọmọ mo wá rèé nítorí Ọlọ́run. Mo jẹ jìyà lórí àwọn ọmọ yìí o.
School too.